My name is Michael Robinson. I do hip and knee replacements, and I work for Southeast Orthopedic Specialist. I fell in love in regards to what we can do to change people's lives in regards to joint replacements. It allows them to increase their activities, and it truly does change the quality of life. My patients will come in with the complaints of hip or knee pain, and that's where I will evaluate them and see if there's something surgically. Most patients will have either hip or knee arthritis. I think the most rewarding part of being a surgeon is to know after you do these surgeries, and the patients come back and they're very pleased with what they have for a result of the surgery. Not just what I did, but also what they have done. So an advantage of Southeast Orthopedic Specialists is that we are truly specialists in orthopedics. We are experts in our field. Not only do we know our specialty, but we have a group of specialists that allow us to be able to integrate our care of specialists of physical therapy, or specialists in orthopedic surgery, and specialists in non-surgical care. With that group, you can get care from the beginning of your condition all the way through non-surgical, surgical, and post-operative care.